નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Standard 9th, Subject Science, Chapter 8, Motion. Dear students, today we will discuss example 8.6. See, these are all the examples of derivations of equations of motion. Okay, here that you have to use that formulas. A car accelerates uniformly from 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour in 5 seconds. Okay, calculate first acceleration, then the distance covered by the car in that time. Okay, dear students, here you see that a car accelerates. Here not given any rest or standing like this, not given. Okay, so u is not there. Okay, initial velocity not there. Say initial velocity here directly 18 kilometer per hour. So u is equal to, because here there is no rest or standing like this. So initial velocity 80, u is equal to 80 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now, after some time, here it reaches the final velocity 36 kilometer per hour. Okay, you are right now. Final velocity is equal to 36 kilometer per hour. Okay, what is the time taken? Time taken is 5 seconds. So time 5 seconds. Now what you have to find out? You have to find acceleration. So you know that acceleration, therefore acceleration is equal to v minus u upon t. V minus u upon t. So now look here now. V minus u means, say, before solving this, you have to see this SI unit. See here second, here kilometer per hour, here kilometer per hour. So you have to bring the SI unit in the same. So this kilometer will change into meter. Kilometer will change into meter, and hours will change into second. Okay, in the similar fashion here also. Okay, for 18 kilometer, 18 into kilometer to meter, 18 into 1000, hour to second divided by 3600. Because 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So now just go with the cancellation. So 18 1, 18 2 that, 2 1 that, 2 5 that. So what you got? 5 meter here. You got 5 meter per second. Okay, students. So 5 meter per second you got. Now there is another one, 36 kilometer. And this one, 36 kilometer per hour. So this one, and we will solve like this: 36 into 1000 divided by 3600. Okay. So what you got? 10 meter per second. Clear now? First you got 5 meter per second. Then you got 10 meter per second. Now the SI units are clear. So this is also second. So now v minus v is how much? V is equal to 10 minus u is 5. So upon t is 5. So is equal to 5 by 5. So okay. So 1 meter per second square. This is why? Because acceleration will be that. So that is why meter per second square. 1 meter per second square. You got it. Now the second one you have to find the distance. You have to find. So distance formula you have to use it. Okay, we will go for the distance formula. What is the distance formula now? Distance formula is S is equal to ut plus half at square. Now we will put the value of u. u is equal to 5 and t is also 5 multiplied by 5 plus half multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by t 5 into 5. 5 because t square 5 into 5. Now 5 5 is 25 plus 5 5 5 is 25 by 2. Okay. So now go with the LCM. LCM how much? 2 is LCM. So 1 here this you can take 1 to the 2. So this is 50 plus 2 1 the 2 25. So you got 75 by 2. So 75 by 2 means how much? 75 divided by 2. See that 75 divided by 2. 2 3 is 6 1 and 5 2 7 is 14. Okay, 1 put the decimal point. Okay, 37.5. So you got now 37.5 because this is distance. So that is why you have to write here meter. Not meter square. Here meter. Because the distance unit is meter. Okay students, got the idea now? So dear students, let's see the last example, 8.7. The brakes applied to a car, the brakes or brakes you actually applied to the car to produce an acceleration of 6 meter per second square. So acceleration unit you are knowing meter per second square, 6 meter per second square. In the opposite direction to the motion, in the opposite direction to the motion, like where motion will be there and opposite. If the car takes 2 seconds to stop after the application of the brakes, calculate the distance it travels during this time. Okay. So now what you have to do? You have to first of all solution. See what is here? There is no what you are saying initial, stops, what you are saying standing, such things are not there. Directly you will come to know that acceleration is given. See acceleration, in the previous problems you are finding the acceleration, but here now acceleration is given only. See acceleration how much? 6 meter per second square. See dear students, you can write in this value 6 meter per second square. Or like this or like this. Anywhere. Okay. 6 meter per second square. Both the way you can write. 6 meter per second square. Okay. Now, what is next is given? Time is given. Time is 2 seconds. See, time is given 2 seconds. Okay, now what is not there? U is not there. Okay. Then V also not there. We have to see some hidden things will be there. Yes. In this question, some of the hidden things. See here. If the car takes 2 seconds to stop, here the stop is given. So whenever stops comes, then you have to think, see journey started, now stop is given. So that is why here final velocity V is equal to 0. What do you have to write here? V is equal to 0. The final velocity is 0 now. Okay. Then calculate the distance. Calculate the distance. See, whenever here the acceleration is given means either it must go slow down or it has to stop. So here stop is given, so that is why final velocity will be 0. Now you have to find the distance formula. See distance. So distance formula what is there? S is equal to ut plus half at square. Ut plus half at square. Okay, now you see here you are given u is not there, time is there, okay, a is there, and u is not there. How you have to find the u? So you know that from the first equation. From the first equation means what? V is equal to u plus at. So V is equal to u plus at. So this is the first derivation of equation. This you have to find out here. See, look here now. Now, V is here I write V is equal to U plus AT. Okay. So V is 0. U how much? U is how much? Where U is not given only. Okay. A is, see, look here now. See, dear students, here acceleration is, here you have to remember, in the opposite direction. So that is why here acceleration is minus sign you have to keep. See, acceleration, simple acceleration not. In the opposite direction. So that is why minus 6 meter per second square. Okay. Now A I have to write minus 6 and T I have to write how much? 2. So now 0 plus U plus into minus you got 6 to the 12. Therefore, okay, now 12 is equal to U or U is equal to 12. Okay, U value got 12 meter per second. So this one is meter per second. Now I have to fill up the value of here. So we are finding the S is equal to U, you got it 12 multiplied by T 2 half. A I have to write, what I have to write here? Minus 6 and T square. T square means 2 into 2. 2 into 2. What is the answer you got? 12 to the 24. 2 3 the 6. Okay. Plus 2 3 the 6. 3, say 2 1 the 2 3 the. Okay. 3 to the 6 to the 12. The minus 12. So plus into minus minus. See 24 minus 12 you got. What do you got? 24 minus 12 upon what? Upon. So this ut plus happy square. 24 minus 12. Okay. So now you got 12 meter because it is distance. Unit of distance is 12 meters. So what the idea now, students? Dear students, we have completed all the text examples. So all the text examples you have completed. But you have to remember here 3 derivations, equations of the motions. 3 derivations of equations of motion. Okay, first one, what you have done? V is equal to. So V is equal to, what are the equation? First equation you will write, V is equal to U plus AT. Okay, this is the first. Okay, use in any ways also. Second, you know that S is equal to UT plus half AT square. UT plus half AT square. Okay. And third equation is V square minus U square. V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. So these are the 3 derivations of equations of motion. So these are all useful for solving the questions. Okay, students, remember this one. And here you can find, suppose the same this one, you can find whenever you are doing the acceleration, you have to find the same thing you can do. V minus U. What is the A is equal to what? V minus U upon T. So in this way also you can find. Okay, students. So like this way you can alter this equation also whenever you want. Okay. So these equations are so useful. So A is equal to V minus U upon T. So like this also you can change the equations. Okay. So remember this all the things. You just solve yourself. Okay, thank you. Thank you for joining us.